Day 3 namin. Day 3 na namin sa Singapore. So, schedule namin pupunta kami sa Museum of Ice Cream and Art Science Museum. Punta kami ngayon first. Breakfast muna and punta na doon sa Ice Cream Museum. Bus lang kami papuntang Topayo Station. So we are in Museum of Ice Cream. So napaaga kami. Wala pa tao. So say hello ate, Museum of Ice Cream. So nag-MRT din kami and Napier Station. Bumaba kami ng Napier Station and yung paglabas namin sumakay kami ng bus. So may bus stop doon paglabas ng station. So any bus naman pwede. Tapos isang stop lang ng bus. Tapos pag isang stop bababa ka na kasi hindi na makakapasok dito. Kailangan mo ng lakarin ito papunta dito from the first bus stop. So kailangan medyo okay yung ano mo sa lakaran kasi walang option. Siguro kung magtataksi ka baka ihatid ka dito, but costly naman kung magtataksi ka. So pwede ka naman na MRT lang kung saan ka kung saan yung hotel mo. So hanapin mo lang paano mapunta ng Napier Station. So yun, ito yung entrance ng Museum of Ice Cream. So maganda ito sa mga bata kung may family tour dito sa Singapore. So medyo napaaga lang kami. Yung ko kasi excited baka daw matraffic. So maganda ng place to kasi parang siya, hindi crowded, wala sa city. So mamaya pag open check namin. So ito muna titikman ng ice cream.
Cookies and cream.
What flavor?
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream?
Yeah.
So you want to taste the first ice cream cookies and cream flavor.
Yes. And
So you like that, huh?
would be chocolate.
After that,
Huh?
cookies and cream,
Chocolate.
Okay. So hope there is chocolate.
No, I mean vanilla.
Vanilla also? You like that?
What? I love vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla is tasty also.
Last one would be strawberry. I don't like strawberry.
But it's more little, huh? Don't eat too much.
Next.
Mama, what flavor you like to eat first? Entrance. So ito yung ticket at pricing nila. Mas mura sa clock. Kaya dapat sa clock kami kukuha. So ayun. We are here. Inside Museum of Ice Cream. Wow.
What name would you be? My ice cream name.
Oh, picture. Where's Mama? Oh, you like? First station. This is the first station. Inside. Second station. Wow. Good morning. I test my first ice cream, strawberry flavor. Okay. Strawberry flavor. So, sa second station, may ice cream na. Chocolate. For Ron, what flavor? Huh? Chocolate. For me is strawberry. And for mommy is strawberry. Station number 3. So write your name. So you can write your name here. Write your name. Rihanna. Ronan. Philippines. Wow. So I. Where is the I? Where is the N? Where is the E? S. Oh, where's the S? Oh, it's done. Oh, Philippines. Screen diner. Station number 3. This is also station number 3. Ice cream museum. So you can choose from mango, sorbet, and raspberry. Punta na station number 4. Ice cream station number 4. What is station? Station? So station 5. Station 5. No, sorry, station 4. Station 4 na. Ito yung ice cream nila. So